Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see comment history on YouTube. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube, and then you need to click on your channel icon on the top right. Here you need to click on settings, and then you need to scroll down, and here you need to click on manage all history. So it will redirect to the Chrome, and then you simply need to click on interactions, and here you can see comments and replies, and click on dismiss. So here you can see that I do not comment on any video, but you can find your comment history here. So here you can see your comment as well if you do that, but as you can see that I do not comment anything, and that's why there is nothing shown here. So this is the process by which you can see the history of comments here on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.